Okay guys, welcome to another lesson. So today I would like to give you just only one movement which can be a great exercise to practice your technique and also work on your stamina. So it's going to be in cha-cha, so it's called time step or syncopated time step. So you basically close your feet together, do this, together, together and push side. Collect feet, go together, together and push side. So with this movement, you're not going to only work on your technique, you're also going to work on your stamina. And you remember, let's say if you want to have a stamina in the dancing, if you're just running in the morning, it's a different stamina, it's a running stamina. For the dancing, you need to develop a dancing stamina using a dance move. So syncopated time step, in my opinion, is very, very good step to do that. So basically, let's do it again. Close your feet. Now go together, together, side. Together, together, side. And we're only going to repeat this movement. Together, together, side. Together, together, side. Now, let's slowly take a look on the technique of this move. So when you close your foot, you have a footwork, ball, heel, then you're going to push from this foot and the other foot lands toe, ball, heel. And again, footwork, ball, heel, push from the foot, toe, ball, heel. But when we're going to today speed up with the music, the footwork will slightly could change. So you would almost do on the balls of the feet here, and only here you will land ball, heel. Quick, quick, and slow. So depending on the music, you can vary, you can play with your footwork. Okay, and here, what is another point for you to watch out? It's your hip action. So your pendulum should always change, and the hip should create the beautiful figure eight motion. And you have two steps here, two sections, where you in a closed position with the legs, and also when you stepping to the side. So in close, there is just a fast hip figure eight circle. But here we have that pushing from the foot, using your knee, creating that circle in your hip, boom, to push out. Quick, quick, and push out. Quick, quick, and push out. And the third part, it's engaging your back, your compression, your back muscles. There. So squeezing. So as you're going together, together, make sure that together, together is also happening in your back. And then as you're pushing from that foot and hip, squeeze here, squeeze your back, and then gradually release compression. Quick, quick, and slow. Quick, quick, and slow. And now once you know a little bit these 3 points, your footwork, your hip action, your hip circles, and your back, now we'll time to do it over and over without stopping and focusing gradually. First on the footwork, then adding your hips, then adding your back. And then hopefully at the final moment, final product, do all these 3 qualities together. So let's do first with my count. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. Now focus on your feet as you're doing. 4 and 1. 2 and 3. 4. Speed up. 2 and 3. 4. Now add hip action. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. 2 and 3. Now add your back. And 3. Squeezing on the back. 1, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. Now all of it together. So try to focus on your hip action, your feet and your back same time. And do it for as long as you can until you get tired. Then rest, then repeat. Let's do that with the music.